Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nice to meet you, ladies and gentlemen. With my name is Tianto Budi Raharja. With my partner, Mr. Ahmad Fauzal Ansori. I am from Polytechnic Kelapa Sawit Citra Video Edukasi with my title presentation that is Optimize Design Impeller to Increase Efficiency Centrifugal Pump that function as a turbine PAT use computerized fluid dynamic CFD. From this problem, we have the crisis energy that is electrical for village. We know village in Indonesia is very far from power plant. So we have must to fulfill in this electric energy crisis in village. So we have source for ABT, energi baru terbarukan, or raw or new renewable energy with solar cell, heat, earth, wind, water, and etc. And in this case, we have the source from water that is microhydro. We use PLT-MH, pembangkit listrik tenaga mikrohidro, in the PLS. So, for to make the microhydro in the water, we must make the design that is the pump and turbine. Pump centrifugal is used for pump as turbine. So, how to efficiency impeller pump as turbine use CFD in this moment. So, we can enjoy. Experimental research, Sanjay and friend have the experimental that improve the performance of PAT, that it maximal efficiency 76.93%. And from Farid and friend have the result. The main case of the reduced pump performance is the shaft outer angle of the impeller, and Alfian and friend have significant increase in the backward leg close impeller result in PAT. That is maximum power 89.8 watt. So in here, my team to increase efficiency with the CFD. In pump centrifugal have impeller damage from cavitation. In here, we look design pump as turbine experimental. So we have the salt water from salt. We can make pressure with the flow meter, and he can the rotate PAT for to rotate generate DC in here. So that is make the power plant microhydro. Very simple. And this is experimental impeller was 3. Number 1 blade, 2, and number 3. Okay. In this figure, impeller, yes, before rebonding, and this is after rebonding. Okay. We, with the team, to use method CFD. Step 1, pre-processing with the mesh in this pump centrifugal. And this A, the main content distribution of control. And number B, and that is blade impeller. Step 2, solver. That is a solver core program for finding solution. CFD calculate the condition applied at the time of pre-processing. Use the finite column method. The iteration process is to make educate guess on the value of the variable contained in the equation. The iteration process continues until no residual error reaches a certain value until it approaches zero. And number 3 for the step post-processing, that is the figure for the geometric, and this is a velocity magnet from CFD, and behind that is the centrifugal pump with static pressure. We can have the graph. Okay, result and discussion. We have calculation result of the impeller speed triangle, that is number 1, number 2, and number 3. And this moment, the first, the type of flow that occur is laminar. And number 2, 3, and 4, that is the turbulent. So we can get the here for the calculate. Okay. And this graph, B angel first, 36.9, 6, sorry, 46.6, 56.6, and 66.6. That is very maximal in here, in 56.6. In here, we have velocity magnet and static pressure. That is number 1, higher flow speed, that is 9.350 meter per second, and the highest static pressure at the blade of the 13 to 7 to 5 Pascal. Number 2, that is B angel 36.6, higher 10.53 meter per second, higher static pressure that at the blade is 123 to 18 Pascal. And number 3, impeller, B angel 46.6, higher flow, that is 40.18 meter per second, higher static pressure at the blade is 11.5350 Pascal. And number 4, with angel 56.6, higher flow speed at the blade of 8.975 meter per second, the higher static pressure at the blade of 13.022 Pascal. In here, we have very homogeneous in here. And this here, very low in here. So we have the homogeneous and we have the maximum for the efficiency PAT. And number 5 impeller, the angel 66.9.6, The higher flow speed at the blade that is 13.65 meter per second, and higher static pressure at the blade is 13.5 Pascal. So we get we get we get we get have the velocity, magnitude, Vs pressure that is very high in here. We angel 56 9 56.6. Okay. Conclusion: the backward blade closed type impeller with 5 blades of inlet angle that is 56.6 is recommended to be the best impeller which can increase the efficiency of the pump as a turbine PAT, because by considerate there is an increase the optimum of impeller rotation speed, the flow velocity that occur at one of the blade is the lowest when compared to other impeller model, that is which 8.975 meter per second. This is factor is the consider of the impeller lifetime. So she have lifetime very much. CFD simulation result on static pressure. The impeller model backward blade close with 5 blade inlet angle 56.6 is homogeneous, and the distributed of pressure on the impeller is evenly distributed, which can increase the impeller rotation speed and increase the efficiency of the pump as a turbine PAT. Okay, thank you very much for your coming. I hope you enjoy. I close with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next. Thank you.